The Primrose Friends present Meet Billy. Billy is in his classroom when he hears his favorite morning song.
Bum, bum, ba, ready, here we go.
And decides to play along.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning to you. Cock-a-doodle-doo, say how do you do. Cock-a-doodle-doo, say hey, what's new? Now let's get ready to sing and move. Stretch up high, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Stretch down low, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Stretch out wide, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Let's all move our body too. Flap your wings, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Shake your tail, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Do a dance, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Who else knows what we can do? Sing hi to
Og,
Sing hi to
Percy,
Sing hi to
Mia,
Shake my hand, I'll shake yours too. Sing hi to
Allie,
Sing hi to
Benjamin,
Sing hi to
Billy.
Give me a five, I'll give you one too.
After Billy gives everyone a chance to dance, it's his turn to shine. Way to go, Billy. You rock.